Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix face ID and passcode not showing in settings. So guys, first of all I can show you the error. So here you can see guys, the face ID and passcode option is not showing here in the settings. So not here. So guys, how can we get back the face ID and passcode option in the settings? So simply go back. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, before starting the video, please like this video and subscribe this channel. So guys, first of all, go to the settings app. So scroll down and tap on screen time here. Scroll down, tap on content and privacy restrictions. So here it is, content and privacy restrictions. So scroll down and tap on passcode changes and tap to allow this option. Tap on allow. So after allowing, go back, scroll down, and then simply turn off content and privacy restrictions feature here. So then go back, close the settings. Now open settings again, scroll down. So here you can see guys the face ID and passcode option uh, in the settings. So here you can see guys, now you can change your password and change your face ID. So guys, here is a simple method to get back your face ID and passcode option in the settings there. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.